Hello everybody, this is Farhan, and today we are again going to discuss a very important topic of grammar. This one is affixation. First of all, I would like to tell you what the affixation is. Affixation, guys, is the process of adding suffixes or prefixes to the root words or to the main words to make a new word. So, the process of making new words is called the affixation with the help of suffixes or prefixes. Here I would like to give you a certain information that these affixes and these suffixes and prefixes are what? These are morphemes. So what are morphemes? Morphemes are minimal, meaningful grammatical units. They have no meanings of their own, but they give meaning when they are added to the root words or to the base words. For example, if we have a word un, u and un, it is meaningless. If we have a word er, it is meaningless. But look at that, the whole lesson complete, I would tell you how these and un are meaningful when these are added to the main words. So guys, earlier as I told you that affixation is the process of word formation. So how this process exists? I was telling you about morphemes as well. So the process of word formation is actually the affixation. Now we have the root word, and then we add suffix or prefix with the root word, and then a new word is formatted. Means the word formation is completed. So main word or the root word we have teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach, and I add suffix er with teach. It becomes teacher. Means suffix is what? Suffix is the minimal, meaningful grammatical unit which is added at the end of the root word. So this was what? This is morpheme. If I don't have the root word, it doesn't mean. But if we have the root word and we add this suffix with it, then it gives meaning, means it becomes teacher. So in this way I was talking about the morphemes, that these are morphemes, they don't have their meanings of on, but when these morphemes are added to the root words or to the main words as suffixes or prefixes, then they are meaningful. So I added what? I added the suffix er with the root word teach, it became teacher. Similarly, another word I have, this is again the root word able, A-B-L-E, able, and I add what? I add the prefix un. Prefix means the minimal meaningful grammatical unit which is added at the start or in front of the root word. Able is main word, and I added before able morpheme un. So it became unable. Now this is a new word formatted. So this whole process is the word formation process, and we call it affixation. This is prefix. Why? Because it is added before the main word. So un is also having no meaning. It is morpheme, but it is having meaning when this one is added before the main word able. So it became unable. This whole process is called affixation. Means the process of word formation with the help of adding suffixes or prefixes, which are basically the morphemes. This whole process is called affixation. I hope you have got the whole concept. If you have any ambiguity, you can inbox me a question which you are having in your mind. Thank you so much for listening me. Have a blessed time.